Hello, magical friends. Welcome back to Herb of the Week. Today, we're going to be talking about hibiscus, the vibrant, deep, red, nourishing flower that has been loved across cultures for centuries. Hibiscus is more than just a beautiful red blossom. I know you've seen them. They're absolutely stunning. It's been used historically in traditional drinks, beauty regimens, herbal wellness practices, and spiritual rituals that focus on love, vitality, and heart energy.
Disclaimer: the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. Always consult a healthcare professional before using herbs, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, or taking medication.
Spiritually, hibiscus has been used for its ability to attract love and passion, self-confidence, personal power. It's really good for healing the heart chakra. It's also been used for beauty and glamour and self-worth type of magic. It's great for emotional vitality, bringing in joy and calming energy, connecting to your feminine energy and creative flow. So many spiritually properties that this herb has. Now, some ways that you can bring it into your practice is by adding it to love spells, attraction jars, beauty rituals. You can use it in baths for boosting your self-confidence and your sensuality. Place it on altars for self-love, fertility, or even goddess work if you work with any type of deities. Brew it in ritual teas, so good in teas for heart-centered intentions. Use it in spell candles, intention oils, so many ways that you can use this incredible herb. Some things that it's known for health-wise is that it's rich in antioxidants. It supports your heart and cardiovascular type of health. It is really good for helping to maintain a healthy blood pressure level. As long as you're already within that normal range, just kind of stabilizing that blood pressure. It's good for circulation and good for boosting digestion and your metabolism. Obviously, it's good to use in skincare because of its ability to help with collagen production. And I think we all need some extra collagen, especially as we get older. Hibiscus is such a beautiful plant, and it teaches us that beauty is power, love is magnetic, and vitality is sacred. If you love this video, don't forget to give us a follow, subscribe for the next Herb of the Week, and as always, stay magical.
Hey guys!